Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Transformer Architecture. Part 1. Understanding Attention, AI's Focus Mechanism. Ever wonder how AI truly understands what you're saying? Beyond just keyword matching, we're diving into the secret sauce. Attention. This isn't just a fancy word. It's a revolutionary mechanism that lets AI focus on the most important parts of information. Just like you would when reading. We'll break it down from scratch. No prior AI knowledge needed. Get ready to understand the core of modern AI. Imagine reading a long book, but you can only ever see 3 words at a time, moving strictly from left to right. That's how many older AI models processed information. If you saw bank in riverbank, it might struggle to know if it's financial or geographical, because it couldn't easily look back or ahead to related words like river. It was like having a very short-term memory, struggling with context. As developers, we'd see this limitation manifest in AI making silly mistakes, especially with longer sentences or complex ideas where overall context is key. Attention changes everything. Instead of rigid, fixed windows, attention allows the AI to dynamically decide which parts of the input are most relevant to. Understanding a specific part of the output. Think of it like a smart search engine for words within a sentence. When processing the word bank, it can instantly look at river and give it a much higher score of importance, realizing it's the geographical kind. It's like giving your AI the ability to highlight key phrases in a document asterisk on the fly, making it truly understand context. At its core, attention is about assigning weights or scores. For every word the AI is trying to understand or generate, it calculates how relevant every other word asterisk in the input is to asterisk that specific word. Imagine you're writing code and need to understand a variable backquote user underscore id backquote. You'd scan your entire file to see where backquote user underscore id backquote is defined, modified, or used, giving higher attention scores to those relevant lines. Attention does this automatically, creating a dynamic relevance map for every piece of information, allowing for nuanced understanding. To implement attention, we use 3 core concepts, often called Q, K, and V. Think of it like a database. You have a backquote query backquote that you match against a list of backquote keys backquote to retrieve specific backquote values backquote. Query. Q. Asterisk what am I looking for? E.g., what is the meaning of bank right now? Single quote. Key. K. Asterisk what does this piece of information represent? E.g., this bank is related to river. This bank is related to money. Value. V. Asterisk what information does this piece hold if it's relevant? E.g., the actual definition of river bank or financial institution. In AI, these Q, K, V are just different mathematical transformations, vectors, of the original words that allow for this intelligent lookup. One of the most powerful forms is self-attention. This is where the AI applies the Q, K, V mechanism to the asterisk same input sentence multiple times. It's like the AI rereading its own thoughts or code. For every word in a sentence, it uses that word as a backquote query backquote to ask all other words, acting as backquote keys backquote, how relevant they are. Then, it pulls information from the backquote values backquote of the most relevant words. This helps the AI build a rich, contextual understanding of each word based on asterisk all other words asterisk in the same sentence. For developers, this means our AI can now reason about dependencies and relationships within a single data point, without needing external information. Attention isn't just a cool trick. It's the bedrock of modern large language models. LLMs, and the transformer architecture. By allowing AI to dynamically focus, it unlocked the ability to understand long, complex sentences with nuanced meaning. Translate languages far more accurately by linking words across sentences. Generate coherent and contextually relevant text. It moved AI from simple pattern matching to a deeper, more human-like understanding of relationships and context, making incredible applications possible, from ChatGPT to advanced code completion tools. This is why you hear so much about transformers today. Today, we've laid the fundamental brick: attention. This mechanism, especially self-attention, is the core engine that enables the entire transformer architecture to work its magic. Understanding how AI focuses is crucial for grasping how modern AI thinks. In our next session, we'll see how multiple layers of attention are stacked together, combined with other components, to build the full transformer model, the architecture behind the AI revolution we're experiencing today. Stay tuned and keep coding. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.